How to fix can't swipe left or right on the iPhone home screen after iOS 16. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and launch the settings application. Tap on home screen and app library. Under search, make sure the toggle button for show on home screen is toggled on. Now tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Lastly, you can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.